kind of interested in going into forensic science, and I thought it would be a good idea to learn about law enforcement and things like that in Nebraska.
Well, what we're doing is we have a seatbelt convincer, which simulates a crash at 35 miles an hour. We have a four-wheeler where they have glasses or goggles on that simulate the effects of alcohol. They've got different images in each eye. And what we have is we have the girls go around and see how well they can get around the cones, and so far it's not working so well with those goggles on. And then over here we have our State Patrol rollover machine, which shows, we have a dummy in there, and it shows what a crash would be like when you're wearing your seatbelt and without your seatbelt. Without the seatbelt, with the windows open, even without the windows open, you can still fall out of the vehicle and be injured or have a fatal accident.
I had one of the lower blood alcohol levels, and it was still hard because I was like dizzy running into people. I ran into Christina walking to get into the car, and like I started going slow, and she's like, "Go faster," and I didn't want to. And then when I did, it's like I started hitting things and not having issues driving. So
the overall concept is just to wear your seatbelt and to be safe. Even at a low speed collision, even at 35 miles per hour, you can still be injured. So make sure you're always wearing your seatbelt. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't be texting and driving. Don't be on your phone and driving. Just always pay attention to your surroundings.
It's definitely not a good idea. Like, never ever drink and drive. I mean, it's just not a good idea at all. It's bad for you, bad for everybody else around.
I think it got across very well, especially I think with the seatbelt convincer and also with the four-wheeler, with the intoxicated goggles on, that they really got an idea of how impaired you can be just by one drink or two.